Hello everyone, welcome to One In Skin, and this is a feature nugget on exporting. When you're ready to export what you've got, head up to File, Export Movie, and you'll be greeted with this panel here. It's fairly self-explanatory on the surface level, being able to choose a certain amount of frames, all of them, or changing the screen resolution. But what I want to show you is inside Movie Options. Here you can get to all the different codecs and bizarro things that you can customize when it comes to digital video. There's just a couple of things that I found out that are useful but hidden, particularly inside the settings for the videos section. Typically a good codec to use is just the animation one. It's just a no frills, nothing too crazy, but it does get the job done. When it comes to keyframing, this should be fine most of the time, but if your animation is starting to look, maybe there's something skipping in the video or whatever, change it to all. It may increase the file size, but it does give you more of a guarantee for everything to work correctly. Lastly, usually quality I'll keep at best. This is vector art and you want it to look as good as possible at 100%, and if something's going to be compressed, let the uploader on YouTube or whatever do that. But the real biggie I wanted to show you was this one here, depth. By default it should be millions of colors, and usually I like to change this to millions of colors plus. The plus represents an alpha channel. It gives transparency. So if you're exporting an image or some video and you want to be able to bring it into another editor or combine it with other stuff and you need there to be no background, this is the option that you need for it to work correctly. So that's all for video. If you want to bring out an image and you go to File, Export Images, a good option I recommend is PNG. It's a nice standard format. It comes with an alpha channel as well, so you can have no backgrounds if you do not want them and want to combine it with other Photoshop images, etc. But it's also lossless, which means it doesn't end up looking awful like JPEGs, messing up and making the images look all grainy and crummy. The other thing I want to point out in here is also the range of frames that you want to export. If you're just doing images, typically you only want to do a couple of them, but all frames gives you an image sequence, which provides different editing options when you bring it into, something like After Effects, Premiere, or different kinds of movie editing software. Anyway, I'm already rambling a bit, so I just wanted to point out how to get alpha channels working in image and video exports. And I guess those other couple of things, hopefully something was useful. Have some fun, and I'll see you in the next one.